Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and today is Friday, TGIF. Today I am not cooking because I'm going to be over at Dower's Tavern starting at 6 o'clock with Mark Reese and his food truck, Wanderlust. And on the menu tonight, oops, a little shaky, sorry about that, guys. Part of the main menu that Mark is putting out is his chow mein. From what I understand, it's very good. So instead of prepping food today, I'm going to be packing my knife roll. It's also a knife case. I carry a lot of goodies in there, not just knives, because you never know what you need in the field. So, how is your Turkey Day planning coming? My recipes are set to go. My shopping list is ready to go. We started shopping for Thanksgiving last week. So this week, I'm going to be doing something different. Basically, to keep my refrigerator clear of leftovers, I'm doing very simple meals this week. BLT, baked potato bar, my chili mac, because these don't give us leftovers. Rob and I will definitely finish what we eat on those days. And of course, after Thanksgiving, you have all those leftovers, so I got stuff planned for that as well, like I'm sure you do. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.